Welcome to our new episode.
Naomi, what are the structures we should be listening for today?
There are a few. The first one is A は B が好きです which means A like B. The key word is like 好きです
好きです。
Next one is から It means because.
Color sounds familiar, the same as color as in Tokyo color, Kyoto まで.
That's right. Same color, but different meaning. The color we hear in today's dialogue is used to present a reason or a cause. The third key structure for the day is ませんか. It means would you, do you want to, or shall we?
Isn't that the same as ましょう?
Yes, ましょう and ませんか are both used to invite someone to do something together. But when using ましょう, the speaker has already decided what to do and tells the listener what to do without seeking the listener's response.
Do we also use ます form before ませんか?
Correct. The next and last structure is に行きます. The mass form of a verb is used before に行きます is used to indicate the purpose of going to a specific place. For example, ランチを食べに行く.
To go have lunch.
公園へジョギングをしに行きます.
Go to the park to jog.
Alright, now let's listen to the dialogue. Even if you don't understand everything, listen at least for those key structures. 好きですからませんか and に行きます. Dialogue, first time.
サラさんは映画が好きですか?
A、家でよく映画を見ます。そしてたまに映画館へ行きます。
どんな映画が好きですか?
私はアクション映画やホラー映画が好きです。でも一人ではホラー映画を見ません。
どうしてですか?
怖いですから。
今夜私と一緒に映画館へホラー映画を見に行きませんか?
はい、行きましょう。Dialogue, second time. サラさんは映画が好きですか?
家でよく映画を見ます。そしてたまに映画館へ行きます。
どんな映画が好きですか?
私はアクション映画やホラー映画が好きです。でも一人ではホラー映画を見ません。
どうしてですか?
怖いですから。
今夜私と一緒に映画館へホラー映画を見に行きませんか?
はい、行きましょ
う。Alright, let's look at the translations of the dialogue. サラさんは映画が好きですか?
Sarah, do you like movies?
A、家でよく映画を見ます。そしてたまに映画館へ行きます。
Yes, I often watch movies at home, and occasionally I go to the movie theater.
どんな映画が好きですか?
What kind of movie do you like?
私はアクション映画やホラー映画が好きです。でも一人ではホラー映画を見ません。
I like action movies and horror movies, but I don't watch horror movies by myself.
どうしてですか?
Why?
怖いですから。
Because it's scary.
今夜私と一緒に映画館へホラー映画を見に行きませんか?
Would you go to the movie theater to watch a horror movie together with me tonight?
はい、行きましょう。
Yes, let's go.
Alright, so now let's go over sentences closely. The first sentence is サラさんは映画が好きですか?
Sarah, do you like movies?
It is consisted of today's key structure. A は B が好きです。すなわち、私はケーキが好きです。
I like cakes.
Now try to ask me a question using this structure.
ネオミさんは歌が好きですか？
はい、とても好きです。The opposite of 好き is 嫌い、disliked, hated. For example, さやかさんはお肉が嫌いです。
さやか doesn't like meat.
友達は勉強が嫌いです。
My friend doesn't like studying.
Okay. Next sentence is A、家でよく映画を見ます。
Yes, I often watch movies at home.
よく means often. And Sarah said, そしてたまに映画館へ行きます。
And occasionally I go to the movie theater.
Two new words here. そして means and then. たまに means occasionally. Then Sarah's friend asked another question. どんな映画が好きですか？
What kind of movie do you like?
私はアクション映画やホラー映画が好きです。
I like action movies and horror movies.
アクション映画、アクションムービー、ホラー映画、ホラームービ
Naomi, why does Sarah say action 映画やホラー映画 instead of using と and say action 映画とホラー映画? と means and, right?
Glad you noticed this, Suna. Ya and to both mean and. The difference is that to only lists all the items the speakers wants to say, and ya lists some typical items, so it implies the listed items are not complete.
So Sarah likes action movies and horror movies, but there are other types of movies she also likes, right?
Absolutely correct. Next sentence is でも一人ではホラー映画を見ません。
But I don't watch horror movies by myself.
A super important word here. でも means but.
Oh yeah, I use demo a lot. It's super easy and quick to know where to use after I first learn it.
Yes. One more new word in the sentence is 一人. It means one person. We add で after 一人 and it becomes 一人で which means by oneself, on one's own. Next, Sarah's friend asked, どうしてですか?
Why?
どうして is another word we use very often. It means why. どうしてですか is why is it? Sarah says the reason is 怖いですから.
Because it's scary.
Yes, here we have the second key point of the day. から because. 今夜私と一緒に映画館へホラー映画を見に行きませんか?
Would you go to the movie theater to watch a horror movie together with me tonight?
Here comes the last two key structures. ませんか and に行きます。For に行きます。You can swap 行きます with words like 来ます or 帰ります to mean come to somewhere to do something or return to somewhere to do something.
Say that again. What's come to do something?
に来ます。For example, 東京へ日本語の勉強をしに来ました。I came to Tokyo to learn Japanese.
How do you say return to somewhere to do something?
に帰ります。For example, 会社へパソコンを取りに帰ります。 Return to the office to get the laptop. Now back to the last sentence of the dialogue. はい、行きましょ
Yes, let's go.
う。Good. A lot of new content today and 4 patterns が好きです。
Like,
から、
because.
ませんか。
Would you? Do you want to? Shall we?
何々に行きます。
Go to somewhere to do something.
Wonderful. That concludes today's episode for Step-by-Step Japanese Pathway to Fluency. See you all again next time.